No heat styling for fine, shorter hair using this, resulting in more volume. Perfect if you've got hair colored hair, you've got shorter hair, and this gives body to the hair without weighing it down, and also reduces the need for extra damage using heat tools. So work in the style in the direction you would want it to sit once dry. Let it dry, brush it out to get a really nice fluffy texture, and then now it's got volume, so I can play around with it for the next step. Some days I've just even left it like this if I'm not going out anywhere and I'm not bothered about like the wind blowing it in whatever direction. I can just leave it like this and it just feels almost like a blow dry. But if I'm going out and I want still a bit of hold, just put a bit of hair gel. I warm this one up quite a lot just because it's quite hard. So having the product before to really help with that volume, which is what you get from using some sort of like setting curl gel cream with a teeny bit of hold, but it's malleable enough and doesn't flake or there's no residue you can sometimes get from hair gels and hairsprays. Definitely if you've ever used that, then you know what I'm talking about. Be nice. So now there's a lot more hold. I've got a headache, but it's just a really easy product that I've used. It's not marketed for me whatsoever. This is for curly and wavy hair with far more texture I sadly don't have, but with my hair I wanted to try this. It smells incredible, like full summer holiday kind of smell. Beautiful. I love it, and I really don't need to use a lot each time. Could get more lift with a heat tool, of course, but I wouldn't be able to get anywhere near this without a heat tool. I do a few videos about hair on my YouTube channel. If you're interested, links will be down below. I need to try things first before I recommend it to anyone on my channel, so this is approved.